Hello folks, Richard Fontana here. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier. They will help you to not only get to $10,000 a month, but they'll stick with you until you do. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks, so click that first link in the description below. Now, let's get back to that review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I'll give you my 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. And number 3, you will learn how to create a passive income. And it is a passive income that is recurring. And you can do that with ease. And the 4th bonus will allow you to supercharge your results on an evolutionary system. It will show you how to earn over $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, in a nutshell, Pin AI is a step-by-step guide to free traffic and sales using ChatGPT and Pinterest. Now, the creator of Pin AI is Katerina Kanishkova, a Pinterest specialist who has generated thousands for her clients. She has taken one step further now and figured out how to take advantage of ChatGPT and Pinterest marketing, which has successfully impacted her clients' businesses. Now, there are 5 things you should know about Pin AI Mastery. It's a digital guide designed to help users generate buyer traffic from Pinterest using secret ChatGPT prompts. It offers customizable ChatGPT prompts that help users create promotional pins and drive buyer traffic. Now, it provides step-by-step instructions and strategies for leveraging AI on Pinterest, and it shows you how to maximize visibility and conversions. And finally, it's for both Pinterest newbies and seasoned marketers. Now, the sales funnel looks like this. There's a front end for $12.95. OTO1 is Pinterest account cleanup, which is $47. OTO2 is Pinterest account setup, which is $67. OTO3 is Pinterest audit and strategy guide for $97. And OTO4 is pin creation services ranging from $27 to $67. And OTO5 is a Pinterest management package ranging from $97 to $197. Now, watch for the downsells. You might get a different product or a less product, but they are cheaper than the normal OTOs. Now, if you want to know more, click on the second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. Take advantage of my 3 coaches. and my 4 bonuses. And they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. You can buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. We'll show you how to do that. We'll show you how to gain reoccurring income online easily, and we'll show you how you can earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, folks. See you next time.